Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be using Makartt's Pink and Bling Poly Nail Extension Gel Kit. Plus, if you order this kit, you do get a free gift. It is $36 on the Makartt website. Here I'm just showing you everything that is included in the box. When they did this kit, they really put in a lot of effort. There's so many things you can do with this kit. There's so many different accessories. There's glitter, you get your paper forms, you get your rhinestones, your AB and your regular. You get dual forms. These are more, I would say, more square with a slight curve. Of course, you get your instruction manual. Right here I show you everything that comes in the kit, and let me just say, wow, that's a lot of stuff right there. There are the ingredients. I know you guys always want to know. They do have a little Q&A in there that it really helps out a lot. You get your file, your slip solution, your top and base coat. Everything is pink and absolutely gorgeous. You get your brush and spatula, your polygels. You get a really nice clear. You get this really nice jelly pink. You get a nice soft light pink, a medium pink, a highlighter jelly pink, and then a really bright highlighter pink. Really love these pinks. So this is the dark blue glitter that comes in the kit. Very gorgeous holographic silver. This one is the light pink, and it's got a beautiful sparkle. And then the last one is a beautiful iridescent white. I love the iridescent white. It's so pretty. Okay, I am actually going to use my 5XL Coffin nails by Enail Couture. Guys, these are longer than any of his 5XL nails. They are on fleek. They are so long. So I use these little Fimo slices from my friend Teresa. They are for breast cancer awareness, so this video is a little late. I do apologize. So the first things first, I'm going to jump in and go in with my Makartt base coat. I apply that onto the underside of 2 of those nails, just to start off. I take the iridescent glitter, I grab my dotting tool, I add a little bit of gel polish at the end of that, and then I start applying those little cute Fimo ribbons. They're so adorable. So I do that with both of those nails. I don't go all the way up with the Fimos, just about halfway. Now I'm going to add the pink glitter to the rest of the nail. Guys, these nails are so long, you can do anything. Like anything. You can put all kinds of stuff up under there. For all my girls who like pink, don't forget, guys, put you some pink emojis in my comments. Alright, so going into the thumbnail, I'm adding my base coat. Grabbing some of that beautiful white iridescent glitter and applying that to the underside inside the base coat. Don't forget, you'll do a 30 to 60 second cure once you have your glitters placed. Now I'm going to go in again with the base coat, using the same iridescent glitter. Now going into the pinky, apply your base, grab some iridescent glitter, Apply that right there to the tip and move it all the way down. So 3 of the nails have the beautiful white iridescent, 2 of them have the Fimo and the pink glitter. Now it's time to apply the polygel. So I do believe I use every color. This one is the transparent lighter pink. And you guys already know I don't go all the way down just yet. But what you're going to do is make sure you pat and press that polygel in. Make sure it goes from one side to the other. Make sure it's nice and smooth, nice and thin. You don't want it too bulky. I go about a little further than halfway, and then I will leave it for a flash cure. I go ahead and do this nail the same way, but I use the brighter highlighter jelly. So now I'm going in with the clear polygel and doing the same thing. Just make sure it's nice and thin, it's not too bulky. Make sure it goes from one side to the other underneath the nail, smoothing it down, patting and pressing until I get about a little further than halfway, and I will cure that. It just makes it easier for me, but you guys can go all the way to the cuticle if you want and go ahead and apply it to your nails. Alright, so with the next nail I do use a different pink. This is the highlighter pink, but it is not jelly. It's just really gorgeous and bright. Really fun colors, perfect for breast cancer awareness. So now in the thumbnail, I go in with that beautiful soft pink using my Makartt brush and slip solution. Go ahead and smooth that down, tapping and pressing it into place. Once you're done, do a full 60-second cure. Now I'm going to go in with the soft pink, and I'm going to make my breast cancer awareness ribbon. This was really fun to make my own chunky charm. I really enjoyed it. I really did. And I've been doing this a lot lately, and I'm actually really loving it. It just, it gives character to your nail, adds a little something something. So if you guys have a pink breast cancer ribbon or any type of ribbon in your emojis, go ahead and slap those down in my comments. I would love to see them. If you like the video so far, would you give it a big thumbs up? I would appreciate it. So after I get the ribbon about where I want it, I will go ahead and do a full 60-second cure on that. Alright, after I get my ribbon done, I'm going to go around that with my no wipe top coat, do a full 60-second cure once that's finished. Now I'm going to go in with my star glue, which is a regular foil glue. Use it as a peel off method. You're going to apply a thin layer of that, let it air dry, and you're ready to apply your nails. So now I'm going in with the clear Makartt polygel and applying a bead of that to the cuticle area, making sure I smooth it from one side to the other, making sure I have enough for my natural nail plate. You're going to flip it, apply it, watch it go to your free edge, and do a flash cure. Once you have all your nails applied, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Go ahead, file, shape, and buff those puppies. And let me just say, oh my gosh, y'all, look how long. Let me know in the comments if you guys would wear these nails. Let me know if you would wear nails this long. I don't know if I could function. I really do not know if I could. So later in the video for the decor, I'm going in with one of Makartt's decor kits, which is absolutely amazing. It's $19.99 on the Makartt website. I'm going to pop a picture up of the kit because I cannot pronounce that, so I apologize. So anyway, before we do all the decorations, I'm going to go in with a cuticle, like, flame bit, or like it's like a cuticle bit, and I'm going to make a little hole in the nail for a charm. The charm I found on Amazon. It's a little heart with a key. It's like a key heart. I thought it would be perfect for the occasion. So you just slip that in with an O-ring, jump ring, and close it with some pliers, and you're ready to rock and roll. Alright, so here is that kit I was telling you guys about. It's freaking adorable. I love it. So I do go in with the heart stickers, then those pink hearts. I don't use some of the stuff that I'm pulling out, but some of it I do use. But guys, this kit is amazing. If you have not checked out their new decor kits, go do it. I also picked out some pink bling it's some pink rhinestones that came in another kit that they had. And then I also have some little bows from Amazon that I will link down in the description box. So going in with the no wipe top coat and the rhinestone glue, I start applying my gems and my chunky charms, flash curing in between. This was so fun, you guys. I really enjoyed making this set. And if you guys enjoy it, go check out Makartt.com. Use my discount code for 15% off. They are having a huge Black Friday sale. Guys, get ready. And also, if you guys did not know, I did launch my November Your Nail Lab box. I curated it myself. I do have videos up on that. If you guys are interested, all you gotta do is subscribe to the Your Nail Lab box, and you will receive it this month. You have until November 31st. Alright, so as you can see here, the middle nail had the heart stickers. I went from the cuticle to about the center with those. And I just thought that tied in really cute with all the other heart rhinestones. And let me just say, that bow, that pink bow with the holographic pink glitter in that kit is, oh my god, they're gorgeous, you guys. They are gorgeous. So y'all know I had to go out. I had to go all the way out, all the way to Alaska with these nails. I mean, come on, who wouldn't, like, what? These nails, how much do you think? Comment down below, tell me how much do you guys think these nails would be if you had them, if you had gotten them in a salon. Let me know in the comment section. Now I'm going to go in with the ribbon that I made. I apply that to my accent finger, and look how cute. I love it. Oh, and there's the bows I was telling you guys about. They're beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I love them. And that is just about it, you guys. Once you have your rhinestones in place, you're going to do a full cure. You're going to add your cuticle oil, rub that in, and voila! You got some fresh nails. You can take your pictures, you can show them off. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comments down below. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. And I will see y'all in the next one. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Sending love and light. Bye, guys.